So do you also wish to send order confirmation mails automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to build an AI agent to auto send WooCommerce order confirmations. So as an owner of an online store, I want that when a new order is created in my WooCommerce account, then automatically OpenAI should generate the mail content, and after generating the mail content, automatically the order confirmation mail should be sent to my customer through Gmail. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my WooCommerce with OpenAI and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send order confirmation mails using AI agents for your WooCommerce store. So it's a simple way to save time, reduce manual work, and keep your customers instantly informed. Alright, so as you all know that I run an online store using WooCommerce and I receive multiple orders every day. So now manually sending confirmation mails for each order takes a lot of time and increases the chances of errors or delays. So to solve this, I built an AI agent that automatically sent order confirmation emails, or you can say personalized order confirmation emails, as soon as customer places an order. This saves me time, keeps my customers informed instantly, and helps build trust in my store. So now I can focus more on growing my business while the AI handles confirmations automatically. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see my WooCommerce product page, and now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my WooCommerce account with my OpenAI account and my Gmail account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this automation by simply making a test purchase over here. Alright, so here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to make a purchase over here using this product page, then automatically using the customer details, OpenAI is going to generate the mail content, and after that automatically order confirmation mail is going to be sent to my customer on his or her Gmail account. Alright, so now here we are going to place this order over here. So this is the product, and then I'm going to click on this add to cart, and then I'm going to click on this proceed to checkout. And here you can see some pre-filled details such as first name, last name, company name, country, street address, state, pin code, phone number, and the email as new@pabblytudes.com. Alright, so now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this place order. And here you can see we have successfully placed the order over here, and here you can see the entire customer details. Alright, so now let's go and check our customer's email address to see whether we have received the order confirmation mail or not. And here you can see the mail that my customer has received with the email subject as order confirmation from ABC Store, order number this. So here you can see the sender name as ABC Store and the body as dear new user. Thank you for shopping with us at ABC Store. We are pleased to inform you that we have received your order this, which includes your Glow Hydra Daily Moisturizer. The total amount of this purchase is $450. Your payment status is confirmed as paid. We are now preparing your order for dispatch. And here you can see the entire remaining mail body. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your WooCommerce account with your OpenAI account and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here in your browsers you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in order to access the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as built an AI agent to auto send WooCommerce order confirmations. And now you have to giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. Alright, so in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as WooCommerce, as I am receiving new orders through WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress that lets you turn your website into an online store. So in my WooCommerce trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new order created, so that whenever a new order is created in my WooCommerce store, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my WooCommerce account with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my WordPress account, and here I've already installed a plugin, that is WooCommerce, over here in my WordPress account. So from here I'm going to select this WooCommerce, and from here I'm going to select settings. Now here under the settings, I'm going to select this advanced option, and here under advanced I'm going to select webhooks. Now here under this webhooks, I'm going to add a new webhook over here. And here I'm going to give a name to my webhook, that is new order created. And then here for the status, I'm going to select the status as active. And here for the topic, I'm going to select order created. And now here for the delivery URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and then here the secret and API version is not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save webhook. And here you can see it says webhook updated successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our WooCommerce account. Alright, so now let's move back to Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a webhook ID. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our WooCommerce account. Alright, so now click on this recapture webhook response, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to place a test order in our WooCommerce account. Alright, so here to place the test order, let me take you back to my WooCommerce account, and from here I'm going to select products, and here in the products I'm going to select all products, and then here I'm going to select this random product, and then I'm going to place an order over here for this product. So I'm going to click on this add to cart, and then I'm going to click on this proceed to checkout, and here you can see some pre-filled details over here, such as the first name, that is test, last name as user, company name, country, street address, town, phone number, and the email as test@pabblytudes.com. Alright, so now you have to enter all the required details. I'm going to click on this place order. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully placed an order over here in our WooCommerce store. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you have to wait for some seconds to receive a webhook response. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the version, total text, total amount, status. Here you can see some other details such as the shipping title. Here you can see the order product. Here you can see some other details as well, such as the postcode, last name, first name, country code, company name, city, address, payment method. Scrolling little down, here you can see some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new order created details from our WooCommerce, then automatically using these order details, I want to generate a personalized confirmation email for my customer. Alright, so for that, I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a personalized order confirmation mail for my customers. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me for the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account. And from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key. And here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is order confirmation. Alright, so now I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to click on this create secret key. Alright, so this is the API key generated. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. And now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now it is asking me to select the AI model. So now here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4, because using this AI model, I want to generate my personalized email for my customer. Alright, so now after selecting the AI model, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate the personalized order confirmation mail for my customer. Alright, so here I'm going to add a relevant prompt. And here you can see I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here, where I've added some instructions and the details such as customer name, order number, products order, total amount, payment status, store name, data static over here, and some other instructions as well. Alright, so now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new order is created in a WooCommerce store, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the customer name over here. So this is the first name, and then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Alright, here I'm going to map the order numbers. So for that I'm going to search for the ID over here. So this is the order ID. And then here for the products order, I'm going to search for the product name. So this is the product name over here. And then here is asking me for the total amount. So I'm going to search for the total amount over here. So this is the total amount. And then with this, we have successfully completed our prompt over here. Alright, so now you have to enter in required details. I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a subject separately that says order confirmation for your purchase ABC store. And here you can see the message content generated that says dear test user and the entire mail body given over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating a personalized mail for our customer, what I want is that I want to send this mail to my customer on their Gmail account. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. So Gmail is a Google's email service that lets you send and receive emails online. So in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as send email v2, so that after generating a personalized order confirmation mail through OpenAI, then automatically that mail should be sent to my customer on their Gmail account. Alright, so now here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And now I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to enter the recipient email addresses. So in this field, I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So again here I'm going to map the details over here. So I'm going to search for the customer's email address. So this is the customer's email address moving forward. And then here the CC and BCC fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add the CC or BCC, then you can do it as per your need. And here you can see the sender email address has automatically selected, and then here for the sender name I'm going to add my store name, that is ABC Store. And then moving forward, here for the email subject I'm going to map the email subject generated by OpenAI. So this is the email subject, and then here it is asking me for the reply to field. So it is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and then I'm going to select my email content type as plain, and then here it is asking me for the email content. So I'm going to map the content generated by OpenAI over here. So this is the email content. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the file name, attachment, label IDs and signature. So here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our customer's email address. So let's go and check it. Alright, so this is my customer's mail account, and here you can see the mail that my customer has received with the email subject as order confirmation for your purchase, ABC Store. And here you can see the sender name as ABC Store and the entire mail content that says, "Dear test user, thank you for your recent purchase at ABC Store." Alright, so here you can see the entire email content generated by OpenAI, and with this we have successfully sent personalized confirmation mail to our customer for our WooCommerce order purchase. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as WooCommerce and our action as OpenAI and Gmail, so that whenever a new order is created in our WooCommerce account, then automatically using the order details, OpenAI is going to generate personalized order confirmation mail, and after generating the mail, automatically that mail is going to be sent to our customer on his or her Gmail account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to build an AI agent to auto send WooCommerce order confirmations. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.